back to Drinks with Diablo
and Peligro.
And today we're gonna start it off with just a shot. Today we're drinking Casamigos. I believe that's how you pronounce it.
It's too fire.
Alright,
salud, salud. Cheers. Low lime.
Alright, so today we're gonna be doing our version of a pineapple margarita. So what we have is some canned pineapples, whole slices.
Some pineapple juice as well.
Only the fire. 100% Exotics Only LA hooked us up with some exotic drinks, so we're gonna be incorporating that with this. It's a pineapple flavored Canada Dry.
Tahini right here, you know you always need that when you're having some drinks.
Tahini.
This is Fiesta Martin, but if you go anywhere else, like, the slushies are always like whack. Like they never have enough liquor, and like that's why I always order it on the rocks. You know, just go ahead and chug the vibe.
On the rim. Get that.
Definitely.
I think I have one more. And these lines come from actually our front yard.
Hey, but you know what? I like these better than the lemons. Or
yeah, these are like for some reason not as sour. They're more like sweet. So how did you spend your Thanksgiving?
Oh man, I got loaded. I got loaded. Some tequila with some square, and then like by the time I knew it, I had like 3, and then I was loaded. So
and then we're actually drinking what we drank last time. We're drinking the
Leon.
Yeah. Which is fire. I totally recommend that. If you guys haven't tried that,
it's super good.
Go try that. Yeah, bro. But I got loaded actually the day after Thanksgiving on Friday, man. I met up with some friends. We got
I seen you.
Yeah.
When I saw that you were just like taking out the bottle, I was like,
man, we're actually drinking this Casamigos too.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, this? Drinking Casamigos. We drink a bunch of beers too. Alright, tell me why. Bro. First of all, I slept, bro. Like on the couch. You know, like how they don't give you a cobija when you're sleeping.
Oh yeah.
So like, I use my little hoodie, like just to cover me. I was like, oh, bro.
No, that's fine. They don't give you.
Here we go. Yeah, bro. But that's like the worst when you're drunk and they make you sleep on the cold couch.
No, that's the worst one, especially if you don't have a blanket or anything.
Fuck, bro.
But I mean, you're probably loaded. You're like probably not even paying attention.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. And they woke me up like, bro, just go to the room. They had the heater upstairs, but this was like a 3-story house, so it was like I slept in the middle one.
Oh,
but it didn't hit. I was getting hit every angle. Natural lime. Let's do some natural lime. Right. It's like in half or what?
Yeah, in half. Oh yeah.
And the thing I like about this one too, the seeds don't go in.
Yeah, the seeds don't go in.
See? You gotta love that sound. You gotta love that sound. Should I make like a little mixed drink in the shot glass?
Oh yeah. Yeah. It tastes good.
Oof. This right here is fire.
Let me try.
A couple of days ago, so cause we can't be looking crazy for y'all on the new channel, man. We gotta be looking at least a little slim, a little toned, you know. Oh!
I feel it on my toes for sure. Thanksgiving, like I said, I got loaded, but it made up for it because there was a lot of food. For Christmas, we're always we have it at my house with my family and everything. I think
I put a little bit of this little juice inside just to give it that little flavor. I'm actually doing like
you might be right about that one.
A pinch of tahini inside of there. That's it. Oh, I'm at one of these little popsicle stick thingies, just to like give it that little taste and a little mix too at the same time. We pretty much almost have these drinks done here.
I think we probably need maybe a shot of this in the cup,
just to give it that little sweetness. Let's see. They're not really big drinks. I swear to God, I'm the alcoholic of my family. I don't know if anybody else can relate to that though. I'm like the super.
No, yeah, I am too.
So like, I'm pretty sure like what we do is mostly drink beers. Like to be honest, more beers than anything in my family.
Oh, beers?
Yeah. I know. Like one of my brother-in-law, he likes to get loaded with me. And my little brother too.
Oh yeah.
So we'll probably be drinking. I mean, for Thanksgiving, we're drinking this, bro. To be honest, Casamigos.
But you can never go wrong with this one because I feel like it's smooth. It goes with everything like that.
Shout out Casamigos too.
Yeah,
they're really bomb. Really bomb. We gotta add the chamoy.
Oh, that's right.
We're a little loaded. Forgive us. That good rim.
Actually, I think I'm gonna just maybe put it like this.
Don't do this at home.
We should have done this first, man.
Yeah, we're just loaded. We're loaded ones. So we're blacking out though. Am I invited to your family party this year?
Almost definitely. You always are. And love it. I don't know why, but every time I kick it with you, we always somehow always end up loaded.
You try it. If it's nasty, cheers. We'll let you know right now. $10 out of 10 right here. Bro, relax. Save some for later, bro.
It just tasted too fire. To me, it tasted way too fire.
Wow, this
way too fire here.
I'm about to start. Wow, man. I'm actually
get a little bit of this.
Let me give it another try here. Let me just chug it.
Let me see. Yeah. Should we just chug it?
We don't waste drinks here, ladies and gentlemen. We don't waste drinks. I didn't even taste it so much. I didn't even try to taste it too much. Yo, Peligro, you good?
Woo, that one hit. I need to buy this. Sheesh.
I feel like I could have put in a little extra shot in there. I don't know. Mine's too good. Mine's
that one hit the...
10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10 easily, bro. It is. 10 out of 10. And now I'm loaded and I don't have nowhere to go. Wow.
I chugged this and you know I'm not really feeling it. How about we take like a little...
I'm with it. I know where you're going here.
But this one, because you know what? This one's too crazy right here. This one is too crazy. Let's take a shot mixed with that.
Alright. I'll pour a little bit of this.
A little bit of that.
Just a splash. Nothing crazy here.
Alright.
Might do one of these.
Like that one. He loves that one. He loves that one. Alright, ready?
I'm gonna sprinkle it.
Alright, cheers.
Alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in to Drinks with Diablo and Peligro. Alright.
Another shot.
Nah, we don't. We're not taking another shot. We don't have to take another shot. Alright, so
we're gonna take another
no, we don't. Nah.
We didn't lick that shot.
Come on. I'm not gonna fuck up this time. Don't be slurring your words, bro.
You're spooky. You're spooky because I'm loaded. You're spooky.
Don't be slurring the words.
Alright. Let's do another mixture here. You pour in a little shot.
Put the shot.
I'm actually gonna pour a little. This limon's too fire, I'm telling y'all. This limon's a little too fire.
Let me see.
Do a little. I call these. This is called the bonus round.
Let me see.
This one's called the bonus round. Wait, which one? You put the little Fanta in there already?
Not yet.
Oh, bro, yours is looking strong.
You know what? I think it's probably gonna have to.
Fuck it.
Yeah, that's because this drink that just didn't hit. Let me see. See this?
I don't even know.
Maybe like a dash of this one.
We're bad at making drinks now.
Let me
So
see.
now we're loaded.
You know what? On this one, I think I might need a little tahini because you know what? These things are full, as you can see.
You get a little pinch.
Hold on.
Damn, that's how you make a drink right there.
Let me see.
Oh, stop, babe.
Alright.
Stop, shawty.
Salud.
Tahin shawty. Alright, salud.
It was fire.
Nah, mine was trash, bro. Mine was trash.
That one was. You know what?
Oh, that was awful. What the hell? You put way too much tequila in there, bro.
No, I did not.
Nasty tequila. Nah, but anyways, man, thank you guys for tuning in to Local Celebrity.
Now come back.
He's like, what are you doing? You want me doing?
I'm not gonna take another shot, man.
I said Local Celebrity. No way.
Bro. We're not gonna take another shot. Bro, that one was fucking fat, bro. That one was fucking.
No, we do it. You have to be
No, take a shot.
No, alright, I'm like.
Open this door, it's nasty. Open that door, bro.
Nah, let's finish it.
Are you fucking serious, bro? Are you fucking serious? That shit was right here, bro.
Yeah.
Nah,
We ended it the same way that we started, bro. We ended it the same way that we started.
Alright. It's at the end, bro. It's at the end.
You have to. There's no way. The face is
Literally?
Alright, let's pour a little shot.
Bro, that's almost I drank in like fucking 10 minutes, bro. What the hell, bro? Alright.
Wait, another shot? No, right? Or just.
Do we have to? You have to. It makes the face.
Alright, I'm not gonna mess up, bro.
But I'm gonna pour this one small, not
Yeah,
Alright.
alright.
Well, like take 3.
Guillermo, relax, bro.
This guy's over there playing with us. Don't look at him. Don't look over
Bro, the way you pour a shot is not normal.
No, I know, but I'll pour this one small. The last one was fat. But I thought it was gonna end it, you know?
Alright, 1, 2, hit him with the 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna start.
Alright.
1, 2.
You know what? These drinks are just not hitting, man. You know what? Let's take another shot.
You know what? Yeah, I'm not feeling it yet.
Alright,
You know? Alright. Just make sure you pour it not a little too crazy.
Not too crazy. Not too crazy.
Not too crazy. This is called the bonus round.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, you shot. I'm loaded.
You know, it's getting way too loaded here. Way too loaded.
This is a part that you guys don't see over here, man.
We're gonna have to edit that one.
This is called the aftermath. You pour a little Fanta in there.
Yeah. Just a small dash.
I might need a little tahine.
We need that one.
Just a little sprinkle, you know, a little sprinkle. Sprinkle of that.
Just a little.
They call it tahine shawty.
Let me see. Tahini shawty?
Here we go. Instead of salt babe, here we go.
Alright.
A little lemon.
Put it in there. Yeah.
There you go.
Well, that one's gonna taste fire here.
Alright, salud. How was that? How was that?
What's good? What's good? That one hit.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, you're not gonna redo that shit. I'm not gonna finish the bottle with you, bro. I'm not gonna finish the bottle with you, bro.
You didn't say it.
What the hell? No, we didn't do it. Just redo it.
No, we can cut it. No, we didn't
Cut down.
No, we didn't cut it.
You know what? Bro, this is a video. We can literally pour juice in there, bro.
Alright, let's go. No, let's go. Alright. I'm gonna drop it. Alright. Now we're just gonna end it like that.
Alright.
No, just
go ahead,
do
end it
a
like
smaller one though.
Alright,
Like
1, 2.
a small shot.
Alright, we just finished taking the shots of the bonus round. Thank you for tuning in to Drinks with Diablo
and Peligro. You know, thank you for our guys' support. And you know, just let us know, like, you know, what you guys want to see on the show. You know, we're always up, you know, for suggestions and
like just let us know like what are some of your favorite drinks that you want us to drink it on this show. And then with those recommendations, we're gonna pretty do something fast.